Hey guys, Julie Willits here. So I just wanted to give a little bit of feedback from the mastermind that I actually attended this past weekend in Florida, and why were all the people that attended even there, right? So I'll be back in just a second and we're going to go over that. So these people actually attended this mastermind because they're trying to actually level up in their life, not just their business, in every aspect of their life. And they paid money for this. Not just a little bit of money, lots of money, because they know that they have to make that investment for themselves to be able to do this. I mean, a lot of people can go into a business and they can be handed step-by-step instructions, but they won't do it. And the reason why they won't do it is because it's in their mind. If you do not have the right mindset to move forward, do things in your business, create the life that you want, go ahead and enhance your relationships that you have out there, then you're not going to do it if your mind is not in the right spot. And that's the most important thing, because we can be given, hey, you click this, you put this here, you take that and put it over here, and then you bitch and moan because it doesn't work out for you, because you really don't believe in yourself to begin with. And having that belief is going to take you to the next level. So if you're not doing your personal development, you're going to have to get started there. That's going to take you up onto the next level. It's going to feed you with the motivation that you need to do, because let's face it, you're going to have to get uncomfortable. Like me doing these videos, I mean, I'm not necessarily the most comfortable and the most entertaining here on YouTube, but that's okay. It's okay, because you know what? I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to put in the effort. I'm going to put in the work. I'm going to tell myself I can do this. So what you need to start doing is be a cheerleader for you. There's so many people out there that are going to tell you this doesn't work, what you're doing is a scam, this is not going to work out for you because you're not capable, you don't have the tools you need, you don't have the enthusiasm, you're not very, they can come up, friends and family, society, everybody can come up with a reason of why you can't do it. And most of the time, the reason they want to tell you you can't, because it's something they can't fathom doing themselves. So you're going to have to give yourself the permission to make it happen for you. And let's face it, I'm not getting any younger. And every day that goes by that you put this on hold and say you'll do it tomorrow and put things off, you need to start getting out there and doing it today, now, not tomorrow, not the day after, and commit to yourself. Tell yourself, look in the mirror and say, I am going to do it. That's very simple, but a lot of people won't do it. So I want you to take that advice and really give it some thought, because you want something different. I know you do. Everybody does. They're all trying to achieve that. Something different, something to get past the life that they've been living. They want something spectacular. And to have something spectacular, you're going to have to do some work. Even when you're sick, even when you're tired, and even when life gets in your way, you're gonna have to do it on a daily basis. So I hope that gives you a little bit of motivation, some inspiration to get out there and do it every day. Do what it takes, and know that I believe in you and I know that you can. And don't forget to look in the mirror and tell yourself, I'm going to do it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. And if you want to know, in the description, I'm going to add a free 15-day challenge that you can check out. I'll put that link there. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and give subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I promised myself and made a declaration that I would be doing up to 5 videos every week. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.